Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to avoid interruptions to your subscriptions and purchases. Verify your payment method. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're facing this type of issue or this type of error. So let's see how can you fix the issues. So now to fix that issue, you have to add your payment method into your Apple ID if you don't have added, or if you have already added to your payment method. So you just have to update or verify this information. So let's see how can you do that. But the very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest and stable network connection. You have to also make sure that you haven't any connected VPN. Then go to General, go to Software Update, try to update your software. Go to language and region, select region and select your own region from here. Once you have done, you have to simply go back from here and just tap on your Apple ID, then tap on this media and purchases, tap on your account. Now here you might have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Now on this page, if you have already added your payment method, so you just have to tap on manage payments option here and just try to verify all the information. Just payment method information or the billing address. You have to make sure that you have entered everything correctly. Or the very best way, I recommend you have to try to remove your payment method first. Once you have removed your payment method, just tap on this country region option here and just select your own country or region in which you're living or the country or region you have just selected in your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm going to select this one and then tap on this continue option. Then tap on the agree at the top right. Now on this screen, you have to re-add your payment method. If you have any created debit cards, you can easily add it here. Or you can also use this camera icon to scan your card. Or you can enter the informations manually. Then enter your billing address. You have to enter your street. These are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode or your zip code. Then your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just have a done option at the top right and your payment method will be successfully added or verified. So once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Or if you still face the same issue, so you have a single way, just try to contact the Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, you simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store or you can also use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option. Here you can select App Store, you can also select iTunes Store or you can select the wallet from here. And while I just haven't got more help, then tap on colors. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.